Hello, everybody. Hi. Hello and welcome to my video library. This is Poonam from Paint and Clay Studio, and welcome to my live feed on Facebook and Instagram. I can see a few people joining in. Hello, everybody. Hello. Neha, Nitin. Babs, Nagu Kumari, Kajal. Am I audible to you guys? Can you hear me and see me properly? Hello, everyone. Hi. So, I can see a lot of people coming live today. Am I clear to everybody? I feel the light is a little low today. Can't help. I don't want to turn around the camera a lot because I've set it very badly. Like, it took me 20 minutes to set the camera. Okay. So, looking great. Thank you. So hi everybody and welcome to the live feed. Today I'm live in front of you all to show a little surprise to you guys. I have a little surprise for everybody, and all this time I was a little tied up, as I told you in the last video that my house is undergoing the renovation. You can see the wallpaper at the back. So this room is halfway done and halfway we have to do after, say, it'll take 10 days more to finish off the other work, and then we'll land into my room again. So it'll take a little time, but yeah, by then I can't stop working. So I thought of just coming live and show you a little glimpse of the project which I am going to publish today in the live session now. So hello Rachna ji, Shirin, Seema, Minoti. So many people are here. I'm so happy after so long. That 7-day marathon was a cakewalk for me. You know, it was such an amazing thing. Every time I used to go live, there used to be hundreds of people waiting for me, and you know, we used to do such beautiful projects all together, isn't it? The 7-day marathon was amazing. You interested in more of those kind of marathon? Please let me know. I will plan something like that again. Not a 7-day marathon, of course, but some classes like free tutorials. Wall decor. I have not done any kind of wall decor. There are some ledges, some shelves are going to come here. I have to put everything down there. Whatever you could see in my back out there is going to be shifted on the shelves and the ledges, but it's not yet done. It will be done. So, coming back to the live session today, are you all ready for the surprise? I think before the surprise, I will show you a few things which I am coming up on discounts with. Now, recently, last month, 22nd, 21st, I have published this offer of free kits along with the tutorials. I would like to say that the free kits have actually, I'm empty with the entire cutters and veiners. I don't have anything. I have booked more than 57 pieces kits for one course. You can imagine how like 200 and plus kits have already vanished away from my collection. So free kits are definitely not coming, but yeah, I will be giving you a few discounts on the kits if you purchase the courses from now onwards, whenever as and when we proceed. So AK Art and Painting has also joined me today. Hello Anita ji and Mansi. These are like beautiful ladies. They are settled in Gurgaon. Anita ji's oil, and you can see my hair. ये मैं display कर रही हूँ. I'm giving a testimony in my live video. You can see my hair. They're so shiny. They're so smooth, and I really am in love with Anita ji's oil and the hair mask and nourishment packs, and I don't know what all she has. Amazing stuff, and everything she prepares in her own kitchen. So guys, please connect with Anita ji and Mansi. They're amazing collection of stuff they have, and you won't regret buying. So beautiful products. And also I can see my friend Body Rituals. She is making amazing bath scrubs, soaps, lip balms, and so many different products. She is one of my very old friend, and I had no clue that it looks. I'm not such a huge fan of bath soaps and all. I've been using bath soaps since like हम बचपन में कैसे Lux से नहाते थे, Dove से नहाते थे, like that only. But yeah, after using the scrubs what Body Rituals give me, she makes everything at her home, and you won't regret buying those products, you know. And whatever she makes in her house, in her home. And amazing collection of body scrubs she has. Beautiful. I mean, my skin is really very sensitive, and the same thing I said to Anita ji also. My skin is really sensitive. I can't even, you know, put anything on my skin. So the moment I use that oil from Anita ji and bath scrub from Body Rituals, you can see how am I glowing. So highly recommended. Anita ji for oil, hair mask, and other stuff, and for Body Rituals you have to connect with Sudha. She has amazing collections of lip balms and body scrubs and soaps, and I don't know what all she has. Beautiful collection. I mean, amazing collection. And share your reviews with me. How do you like all those products? Please use them. So now coming back to my live session, I would like to show you two of the courses are going on discount for this month. I don't know for how long I'll be running the discounts. कब तक ये discount चलेगा मुझे नहीं पता, because kids के ऊपर depend करता है. अगर kids ख़त्म हो गए तो फिर discount offer ख़त्म हो जाएगा. I can't help it. तो दो कोर्सेज पे मैं डिस्काउंट दे रही हूँ अब ये गणपति के टाइम पे. एंड दिस डिस्काउंट आई हैव नेवर गिवन, दिस काइंड ऑफ ऑफर आई हैव नेवर गिवन इन पास्ट. So this is like one in lifetime kind of offer. And I would like to tell you the two courses. Coconut bonsai. As you can see, this gorgeous looking coconut. You can see these cute little coconuts, the leaves, the entire arrangement. In fact, the trunk, everything, whatever you could see is been taught in my tutorial, and they are amazing. I have seen people making coconut bonsai amazingly following my videos, and you can ask in the comment section right now how many people have done coconut bonsai and how beautiful the videos were. In my videos I try to cover up as much as possible. The coconut bonsai also I have taught with the cutters, without the cutters. So if you have the material, it's amazing. If you do not have the material, it's even better. It means you will do everything with your own hands. So that ways I have taught. And these tender coconuts, the arrangement, the placement, the full fixing in the pot, everything, whatever you could see is all covered up in the course. So the offer is that if you buy this course, I will give you the clay and wire kit free with it. Free with it. I don't know how many sets I have to make. Last time I planned for just 15 and I've sold 45 and above for each course. So I'm not sure how many kits I'm gonna make. So this is like, if the kits are over, I won't be able to give you the discount. So the coconut bonsai is on discount. You will get the clay and wire kit free. You don't need any cutters for this, but you can buy the cutters separately from my catalog. That you can do, or else I'll tell you which cutters to use. So it will be like very easy. I have taught both the ways, how to use the cutters and make your tree, how to use make your tree without using any cutters also. So both the ways, this offer is amazing. And this is the offer. The fees I will disclose only on WhatsApp, so connect with me. Don't ask me the fee here. Like, I do not disclose my fee online. So this is one offer, and the other one is Muscari. As you can see, this beautiful Muscari out there. I'll show you if anything else doesn't slide out. Yes, that's the Muscari. Muscari is not grown in India. Like, I have never seen Muscari growing in India. So this, whatever you could see here, is all made with hand. The same offer is for Muscari also. If you buy the tutorial right now, I'll give you the clay and wire kit free with the tutorial till the stocks last. I mean, I don't have a lot of stock for clay and other stuff. So clay I'll give you, and I'll give you the wires with it. Cutters as usual इसमें ज़रूरत नहीं है. For the leaves you can buy the cutters separately. I have taught both the ways, with the cutters, without the cutters. So these two courses I took out just for this reason, so that you don't have to invest into cutters. You don't have to buy the cutters separately. These two courses I have taught in such a way which you can do, which you can make, like you can make that entire thing without using any cutters. So guys, this offer is valid till my stock lasts. And don't worry about the videos. You can see the videos as long as you want. That's not a huge issue. So this is the thing. Also, I wanted to show you my pot. If you could see my pot, this is my very old pot. I made this around 12 years back, 12 or maybe 13, I'm not sure. It's quite heavy. Yeah, this is the one. Can you see the detailed work on it? I hope I could pick it up and keep it back. I'm not sure. It's quite heavy. Ouch. This is... Can anybody tell me what art is this? I've made it monochromatic at one side and colorful at the other side. I wanted to try two things in the same pot, so that if I want to go with the colored theme, I will turn it like that. And if I want to go with the monochromatic, I'll turn it like this. It's relief. Yes, it is relief. This pot I have made around 12, I'm not sure how many years back. It's quite heavy and it's broken from a few places, but I don't feel like throwing it. I've spent over 1.5 months in making this, and don't feel that, you know, relief making on a flat surface on a painting format is still easier, I believe, and making on a round surface like that is a task to do, because you have to make sure that your powder, your cone work, the liquid, the material doesn't slip away. See how am I holding it? Doesn't slip away. You have to maintain that shape of that entire thing. You can see the entire detailing on it. I have made everything on this pot with hand. I have not used any tracing, any reference, anything. Everything has been done with hands. And this is one of my favorite things which I have not thrown so far, or else I have thrown all my relief painting apart from one or two I must be having. And now I don't do relief paintings, but I see a lot of people asking me, do you do this, do you do that? I just want to tell people that we are crafters. You know, there hardly is any art which we have not done. Most of the things we have done, and I'm blessed and lucky and happy to say that I have always been surrounded with artists like me and crafters like me, who like-minded people who have done such beautiful projects. And you know, yeah, so this was my relief pot, and I can see a lot of comments which I'll read later. I'm so confused. Okay, fine. So cut short and coming back to the project again. Today's live video was all about giving discounts on those two courses, coconut and Muscari. I only forgot. Muscari and coconut, the discounts are running till the stocks last. And the third thing and the most important thing is Ganpati Decor publishing for this month. So for me, we bring Ganpati every year, and in Maharashtra and especially in Mumbai, Pune and other places, we bring Ganpati every year. We do puja for him. We just, you know, ask him to bless us every year. We bring the Ganpati home. And this year, whenever ladies, they come and visit Ganpati at my place, I always give them a little favor of, you know, some modak or laddus, or, you know, something like, you know, you just have to give them your sweets or something as a favor, as a gift of coming and visiting, and prasad kind of thing. So every year I make something or the other for Ganpati on order also, and for my own house also. But last year also I did not do anything, and this year we are going to have Ganpati at our home, but not that grand. But yeah, I have a few friends who will be coming and visiting. So this year's Ganpati, I have prepared something different, and I thought of recording videos for it and teaching you guys also, so that you guys could have access of giving some gifts to your loved ones and creating something handmade this Ganpati. So are you all ready for the surprise? I need some thumbs ups this time. I am not going to show you until and unless you're not going to give me thumbs up. No thumbs ups? Okay. Don't want to see only. I can see a few. Yeah, yes. Okay, so I've got enough of them, and now I'm going to reveal it. 1, 2, and 3. This is my Ganpati decor. This year's Ganpati favor. 2 days back only I've posted this coconut on Instagram and Facebook and on my WhatsApp, and people have gone crazy looking at it. I've got such an amazing response. That time only I decided that I am going to include the coconut also on the Ganpati theme this year. So this is the Ganpati decor for this year. You can see a banana, you can see the modak, you can see this cute little coconut. You can see hibiscus, the buds, the leaves, and durva grass. You can see a few durva grass also. That's the durva grass. It's a holy grass which we offer in the offerings to Ganpati. And these are the 5 things which you're going to learn in the mason jar for this Ganpati, and you can open it. You can put a few laddus, modaks or prasad or anything, pack it, gift it to the people who come to your place to visit your Ganpati. And believe me, it's such an amazing exchange of positive energies going from your house to each and every house. And the kits also, the offer is that you purchase the course and you will get the entire kit free if you book it, I don't know the day, till the stocks last. Yeah, that's most important. So that's the kit. This is around a little less than half a kg. It will be like more than 1 pack of clay. So I have colored whatever color are needed here: brown, white, red, green, brown and yellow. Yeah, and the wires and the pollens and the super glue, whatever is needed to make this, I will be giving you everything, including the mason jar. So the kit for this one will be coming like this. This is the kit, the mason jar and the colored clay. I'm giving white extra. We just need to make 3 modak, but I'm giving you so much of white, handful of white, so that just in case if you want to make a little, dilute the color or make more, you can just add a little white to the clay and expand or increase the quantity of clay, so that you could try your hands on more number of times. So, and I always give more than sufficient amount of clay. You can ask anybody in the group, in the live chat right now, that whenever my kits, especially this time the balloon flower kit had a lot of clay. I have thought of giving half a kg of clay in the balloon flower, because, and you actually don't need, you need just a handful of clay for making the balloon flower, but this time I have purposefully made that and given it to people. So my tutorial will be for one product only, but you can make 3 to 4 to 5 to 6 number of pieces of the same thing. So this is the kit, guys, and this is totally depending on the stock. I am not going to give you the kit for free after the courses are over. The fee will be the same. I'm not changing the fee, and the course will be buy the course, run now, and get the kit free. This is the kit. The entire tutorial will be free. The kit will be free till the stocks last. Again and again I'm telling you the same thing. And again, the glimpse of the Ganpati decor. I'm going to post a picture for this and all the details whomsoever connect with me on WhatsApp. So don't worry, you'll get all the details after a few minutes on my catalog also. And when you wanna connect with me on WhatsApp, I'll share all the details with you personally. So that's the course, guys. And need to have to learn. I need to have to learn. The kits are more than enough and make at least 2 to 3 mason jars. Yes, Gitanjali. So I totally agree. Sometimes, like I had a student last week only. She said that I could not make more than one. So sometimes 2 months back only, I've recently started with the kit system. Before that, I had no kits. You can ask all my old students. I've never got kits into my system, but yeah, I have recently started it, and believe me, it becomes really easy for the students and for me also to get the same finish, you know. Otherwise your red color is different from my red color, your brown color is different from my brown color, so the finishing actually changes. I give you the product which I have used to make my own product, so that your thing also looks the same after you have done it. So the kit actually matters a lot. So book your kits. The kits are not available for sale separately. If you take the course, then only I can give you the kit. I cannot give you the kits just separately like that, or else it becomes really difficult. Last time also, for the balloon flower and other stuff, I have sold so many kits, and at the end of the day, I was having no cutters in my stock. So I'm not going to sell the kit just like that. If you take the cutters, if you take the course, then only you will be getting the kits. That's the only thing. That's the course, and it's ready. If you register now, I can ship the kits on Monday. You will get it in 2 working days, so you can make it actually before your Ganpati arrives. So guys, this is the course, and just see the intricacy of the entire thing. You can see those hibiscus buds. Such cute little buds are those. I'll show you. I made some extra. If I have, yeah. These are the hibiscus buds. Can you see the detailing on the hibiscus buds? These are so cute. Just see the calyx. Just see the detailing on the bud. Even the flower, I have one. That's the flower. Everything, whatever I'm showing you, it does the kit have cutter for the flowers? I have taught without the cutters, Rupali. This offer for this month is without cutter, so I don't have cutters for the kit, but purposefully I have taught entire flower, leaf, whatever you could see, everything is without the cutters. I have not used a single cutter to make anything of this. And in my tutorials also, it's really very easy. Anybody, believe me when I say anybody, a beginner who have never done clay, for them also this course will be like a cakewalk, because it's simple, like simplest thing you could do. So guys, register for this course, and fees I'm not going to disclose here. I never do that. If you want to know the fee, you can connect with me on WhatsApp. I'll share the details with you, and after a while I'll add this course in the catalog also, so people who already have the catalog links, they can directly go there and they can check the course details. So 3 courses, guys. I have kits free, the clay and wire kits free for all 3 courses. This course, the Muscari and the coconut. 3 courses. If you buy, the kit will be free till the stocks last. That's the only thing. Once the stocks are over, I will clearly tell, I'll update it on the status, and I will tell everybody that the kits are over, so please don't book. And after that also, I won't I won't accept any payments for the kits, so please don't give me payments only for the kits. I'm not going to give that. People who take the courses, they only will be getting the kits. So that's it for today. I came live to tell you all this only, and I believe that coming live and talking to you guys is something which is a part of my daily routine nowadays. I miss you guys a lot. So let me just take up some questions which I have got. Good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon. Hello, 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 hello. So many hellos. mini leaves back on whiteboard. Sheena Matthews. Yeah, this also I'm going to have, because I have not got my cutter consignment as of yet. I didn't wanted to share this in front of you guys, but as you're seeing it, it's my notepad into which I've just put it. Last month also I've come live and I've shown this. These are the leaves which I have made with hands. I have this assorted leaf cutter set coming up. A few things I've made with hands, a few things I've made using the cutters. The cutter set will have 30 pieces, 30. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 I have made using the cutters, especially these caladiums and syngoniums and begonia leaves. Can you see the detailing on it? Do you think I should come up with a course for this one? I can. I mean, I can make the videos. Not a very difficult task. People who know how to color, how to do the outline and everything, they can make it. I have not used any veiners on this. Not all of them, a few I have used. I don't know, when I'll make the course I'll tell you better. But right now I am waiting for the cutters, and probably by the month end or after 20th I'll be getting my cutter consignment. And after that I'll be having the cutters on sale. I have very limited stock coming, only 24 pieces, 24 sets. So those who want to book the cutter set, they have to be very quick and they have to book their cutter sets as soon as possible. And these are just 1, 2, 3 and 4 pieces you can see here, which I have used the cutters and made. The rest of them I have made with hands only. These what do we call them? Oxalis. Yeah, the oxalis I have made with hand. These kind of money plant creeper I have made with hand. These kind of these ones also I've made with hand. The rubber tree also I've made. Everything I've made with hands only. But yeah, I have used cutter 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 cutters are here, and there are some I think 10 styles, I'm not sure. So you're gonna have maple miniature, oak miniature, chrysanthemum miniature, monstera miniature, and so many of them. So many cutters are coming for that particular set. So guys, when I put it on sale, please book it, or else my cutters they go like, you know, hotcakes. They just go away. Sometimes I don't have stock for myself also. So be quick and book your sets the moment I post it, not now. Please don't ask me the price of the cutters right now. I have it in my hand, and then only I can tell you the prices. After paying the duty and everything, then only I know what's the price of the cutters. So, and before that I will try making also, and then I'll see if they are good for sale. Also my blade set is in stock again. I don't know where. Yeah, I've got sorry, this is the blade set, and this I have got again back in stock. So I have another 14 pieces, 14 or 15, I'm not sure. So these are the blade sets, and these are amazing to use for your miniature projects, for doll dress, for your photo frame edges. And you know, I have sold more than 150 since June, and thrice this stock has come. So if you want to book this also, I have very limited stock. My stocks will come probably in November end now. So whomsoever wants to book this, please book it now. This is the time. And I also am going to give a cute little souvenir from, you know, made by my hand to everybody, because the first time I published, oh god, this is so, I'll clear it out. First time I published, I took the names of all my students, whomsoever were taking it, and I have made a name tag for everybody. And there were 2 people whom I could not send the name tags to, and when they will order again, probably I'll send those name tags also. So I'm gonna give you this cute little heart, which I have made for all the blades. You can see the detailing of these blades. There are 6 different styles, 6 blade set. The mini, the large, you can make all kind of patterns using the same kind of blade. And also you get a plain blade, which really is like a smooth and clear cut whenever you are cutting the clay. The clay doesn't stick to this, and it's an amazing product. All the clay crafters should have it. And also I would like to tell you that I am the only person in the entire world who's making these blades. Nobody till the date have made these kind of blades with so many options. You get Sculpey blades with 2 different options and 1 plain. No, 1 wavy and 2 plain, 1 small, 1 big. So they don't have options nowhere. I have sold so many pieces internationally, you know. You get these kind of blades nowhere, and these are amazing blades. So very limited stock, book it as soon as possible. And on this note, I would like to say thank you and bye bye. Let me take a few more questions. Nice wall decor, thank you. Vanita, how are you? More live classes, yes, I will definitely come. I can see those beautiful fridge magnets with miniature plants. Yes, I've just now showed. I also use all her herbal products. They're awesome. Yes, Swapnil. In fact, Anita ji's products are really good. And so is Body Rituals. Please, guys, connect with these 2 people, and they're having amazing products. मैं फर्स्ट टाइम आपका लाइव देख रही हूँ. थैंक यू अनीता जी, शी इज सो स्वीट. Videos are amazing, meticulously, every step is taught very nicely. Thank you so much. I have done coconut bonsai watching your tutorials. The videos are amazing. You have taught different methods to make leaves. No words for your work. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, dear. Thank you. Thanks a lot. I can't thank enough to you guys every day. You know, I thank God that I've got such an amazing people to be with me. I like to buy your lovely clay. I am from Sri Lanka. Give me more details. Sajiva, please connect me on WhatsApp. Somebody please share my WhatsApp number here, and you can connect with me on WhatsApp also. Kits are more than enough to make. I've already read this. Feeling so festive looking at the jar. Yes, Madhavi, these are festive. And I've got this idea from Rachna ji. She only suggested me, she's in Mumbai, and she suggested me that Poonam, this time I'm going to have the Ganpati favors giving to people, and I'll make something with hand only. You suggest me what to do, and then we came on this one, and beautiful, I'm loving it. So she has made over 50. I have made just 2. Send your details for last flower details. I don't know. Connect with me on WhatsApp, dear. For beginners, are the blades useful? Yes, Falguni. The blades are not for beginners or intermediate or advanced level. These are just to cut the clay into a different style of pattern, you know, so that you get that cut clay. You see the dolls and all, they wear those frilly frocks and all. So for them, making the, cutting everything with hand will be a big task. You just need to roll the clay, cut it with the blade, and your work is done. So it makes your work very easy, very easy, and you'll bless me forever. Thank you, Kitanjali, for sharing my number. I've taken all Facebook comments. Let's see the Instagram comments. And no, indeed you look beautiful. Thank you. I look always beautiful. Okay. I want to learn. Shweta Shinoy, please connect with me on WhatsApp. Please tell me about mini leaf. Okay, I've already shown you. When exactly are you coming up with the mini leaf tutorial? I don't know, Sheena Matthews. I will be having the cutters first in my stock, and then I will see how many cutters do I have, and if at all I come for the mini leaf tutorial. I don't know, these are like 30 cutters, at least 10 or 12 different styles. How many cutters I'll be using to make how many leaves, that also I don't know. Earrings you're wearing is also made of clay. Yes. I'm wearing these cute little, I've recently posted about this also. So these are my handmade, homemade clay earrings. These are like succulent, and I could not find any color, so I just made like that only. So these are my earring hoops, and I love them. So whenever I don't get anything to wear, I just put this in my ear, and they are like this only forever. So this is my earrings. And any other questions, guys? I'm here to take questions also a little bit. Your creations are just beautiful. Thank you so much. I want to learn the mason jar. Doris, please connect with me on WhatsApp. Please make some calla lily arrangements. I will be making a fall arrangement this year. Last year also I did not make the fall arrangement. I had all plans. This time I'm going to make an amazing fall arrangement. Around the world, people have already started with the fall arrangements, but I have not even started with it. So please wait. I will be definitely coming up with some exotic flowers, some tropical collection this time, and I'll definitely try to make kits for everything. Janamashtami offer. Reena ji, please connect with me on WhatsApp. Janamashtami is over. The offer is also over. It's already gone. Everything is gone. With me, I generally don't give offers. So whenever I give, people, they just grab it like, pata nahi kab milega. And I also make very limited stock of it. I can't make stocks and keep them. Also, I would like to know, how did you like my relief painting? I want to know that. I've sold a lot of pieces. I've taught a lot of people over the period of time, but I am not doing it now. the relief paintings I've stopped completely. Shilpa George, show your earring close up. I'll share the pictures with you, Shilpa. You can go on my Instagram and you can just scroll down. You will find a post into which you'll find all the earrings what I've made recently for an order. But I've made a few extra for myself. Loved the relief work. Thank you so much. Relief was something which I have done when I was in I don't know, I think 9th or 10th, I'm not sure, 8th, 9th or 10th, something, I think 9th or 10th. Those holidays when you get summer break, that time I have learnt it from Anjali Agarwal. She was my first ever teacher whom I have gone out of my house and I've learnt anything. And there was one auntie called Babita Shukla. She was an amazing artist. Now also, but I think now they don't teach. But yeah, so I have learnt relief when I was in my school time. Okay, and since then I've been doing relief, but I don't know, because of sitting too much, and I don't do relief now. So no classes for relief. I'm sorry, you'll get a lot of people teaching relief nowadays. But yeah, if you want to do flowers, please do get in touch with me. I'll share all the details with you. So guys, thank you so much for joining me today. I had a blast. Both sides are different patterns. I like that. Yes, Lakshmi. I purposefully made like that. So great. Thank you so much for joining me today, and avail the offer before they are gone, before the kits are sold. And I will see you in the next one very, very soon. I'll keep coming for the live videos very soon. The moment I have the cutter stocks for the leaf, I will definitely come and show you guys how the cutters will look, and probably then we can have a word. Also, I wanted to say that I have one last banana kit left with me. If somebody wants the banana kit, you please let me know. The kits will be available in future also, but not with the colored clay. So I have one last banana kit with me, but the offer is over. So if you want, you can buy only the kit, or if you want, you can buy the tutorial separately and buy the kit separately. That I can do, but the offer is now over. The cutter, the course, buy the course and get the kit free, that is over now. I'm not giving the kit for free. But yeah, if you are interested in buying the kit or the tutorial along with the kit, you let me know. I have just one kit. Once this is gone, then please don't ask me. I can't make the kits again with the colored clay. Otherwise, the kits will be always there. But I am waiting for the stocks to come. So I am out of stock for banana cutters. I won't be able to give you. This is the last set I have. I'm in for the mason jar. Yes, guys. Please connect with me. I will share all the details on WhatsApp. Then book it as soon as possible. Okay, before the kits are gone. So guys, thank you so much again for joining me today. I will keep coming live. I'll keep surprising you all. Keep crafting with clay and show me your amazing work. Take care of yourself. Stay at home. Corona is coming back, the third wave, and keep crafting with clay. Thank you so much for joining me again, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care and bye-bye.